Come on. So I'm super excited because today we are going to Cullman, Alabama for the Christmas Kindle Market. It's this big event that they do every year. There's like food vendors, German themed because there is like a German population up in Cullman. So they do like Oktoberfest and then this like European style Christmas market. There's like outdoor ice skating, and I used to live in Minnesota, so I'm used to like the pond hockey and pond skating. So I'm excited to see what that looks like, but I'm very excited to bring Catherine over there because I think it's going to be cool for us to kind of get some time away from home and like spend some time together before like all the Christmas chaos ensues.
Mark, we're gonna go get a haircut.
Should I get my haircut?
Yes.
It's filming all in 360 right now, so like later in post you just go back and
Sam Casey's.
Would you rather we get cinnamon sugar or butter?
Okay, 51 is 12 is
Type in one sugars all morning.
Fire roasted cinnamon rolls. Well, look, close your mouth. You look like you're putting on mascara, okay? This ain't mascara.
Morning. Cheers. How do you say that in German?
Grazenstadt.